Just like number 8, number 9 looks really intimidating. I mean, look at how long this question is. It's a full paragraph of information. So it feels scary, and a lot of people quit before they actually give it a shot. Remember, narrow your focus. We could take it one step at a time and read this and kind of highlight things and whatever, but I'm not even going to do that. I'm going to look at the answer choices, because the answer choices will tell you what to care about in the question, right? What's different between the answer choices? Focus on that. So what do I see here? Well, 640x plus 880y is the same in all of them. 9700 is the same in all of them. The only difference is the sign. Same thing with the next equation, right? X plus y is less than 10 or greater than 10, right? So we have these choices about the signs, the inequality symbols. So when we read this, I don't really care about the numbers that much. I care about words like at most, at least, greater than, less than, things like that, which I can notice. Let's just take it one piece at a time. Marissa needs to hire at least 10 staff members, okay, for an upcoming project. So at least means that she needs to hire more than 10 or more. So that means that x plus y probably need to be greater than or equal to 10, right? So they have to be more. So that's going to get rid of choice A because of this. And choice B looks good. Choice C looks good. Choice D, wrong direction. So right, remember the alligator opens the bigger to the bigger number. So right, if x plus y is going to be like something like 11, we want the alligator eating the 11. We want it opening that way. Let's keep going. The staff members will be made up of junior directors who will be paid $640 per week and senior directors who will be paid $880 per week. Nothing about less than or greater than. Her budget for paying the staff is no more than $9,700 per week. So if we look, that doesn't actually help us because both... Oop, I'm looking at the wrong spot. It does help us. Let's see. We got a choice between these two. So it's no more than 9,700, meaning it's got to be less than 9,700. So that means B, because 640x plus 880y is going to be the value, and it's going to be less than that 9,700 number. We can continue and look at x and y, those last little pieces, just because I think sometimes we might need to care about those, but right now we know the answer is B. So let's take a look. She must hire at least 3 junior directors and at least 1 senior director. And so if X is the number of juniors and Y is the number of seniors, we should be able to just turn that right into something, right? So at least 1 senior means that Y has to be greater than or equal to 1, which is exactly what choice B says. And then the same for X has to be greater than or equal to 3. And so there you go. So... yeah, there's a lot of stuff here, but most of it doesn't matter. Most of it is just about more than, less than, at least, at most, things like that. So focus on what matters and let the choices tell you, because sometimes things that you think matter don't. The choices are our only options here. We do not need to come up with these equations out of the blue. We've only got 4 options. Use the options and just test them against the choices or against the question. That is much safer and much less stressful. So working backwards, always a good strategy on the SAT.